Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Constantin. Constantin joined our Funded Trader program last July on the 8th, and he hit his first 10% target on the 4th of November. So let's have a look at what happened here, because we can see a lot of ups and downs from his equity line. So he had quite a rough period, yeah, in his trading. So we can see since he first joined, he went up on his account, and then here by July the 22nd, he was down just minus 2%, and then he was up again plus 3%, then he went back to the balance, then up again. Then we can see here by the end of August he was up 7.35% on his account, so he was almost there. Then something happened for him and he went back to the balance, then up again, down, and here again on the 8th of October he was up by 8%, so he was really almost there, just 2%, and he would have hit his target on October. But then again something happened and he went down. He went actually down below the initial account balance, not much, just 1.89%. But then here from the 22nd of October he went just one way up to his first 10% target. So this one was a really nice gain that he did, like the last sprint was really nice. Okay, let's have a look at the statistics. He has a daily average return of 0.08%, monthly 2.43% on average, and drawdown, this of course this is a floating drawdown, 9.87%, because again it's clear from his equity line that he went, like when he went below the initial account balance, we can see here minus 2% and here minus 1.89%. Okay, let's have a look at the advanced statistics to see what Constantin did with his account. So he took quite a number of trades, 208 positions. Let's have a look at his profitability rate. It's good. He has a good profitability rate, 67%. Not bad. Let's have a look at his average win and average loss. Okay. His average win is 18 pips. His average loss is 39 pips. And also in terms of dollar, we can see how his average win is $67 and his average loss is 117. But since he has a very good profitability rate, he still managed to recover every time from his losses and hit his 10% target. Okay, let's have a look at his best trade and worst trade, pip-wise and dollar-wise. So, his best trade in terms of dollar was on September the 21st. He gained $688. And on the same day, we have the best trade in terms of pips, 37 pips. Regarding his worst trade in terms of dollar, that was on August the 28th. He lost $792, quite an amount. And in terms of pips, here on October the 20th, we see 188 pips lost. Okay, let's have a look at the summary to see on which pair he focused the most. And yeah, we can see few number of trades here and there, but of course it's catching the attention here. 35 position opened on the pound dollar. He gained 350 pips with a profit of $1,615. As well as here on the euro dollar, we can see again 350 pips with a profit of $1,286. Okay, those are quite big number. Let's have a look also on the other side, on his biggest losses, on which pair were done. And yeah, we can see here on the Aussie US, 16 trades lost, yeah, both the long position and the short. You lost 378 pips, and he lost $1,065 on that one. Okay, let's have a look also at the history of his account. So let's go back to page 1, and here, this is when he first joined. He was keeping his lot size quite low, 0.1, 0.05. We can see, oh, that was a gold trade. He was not allowed to do that. I believe he actually received a warning from the team for that one. We want to remember that we only trade the major and cross currency pairs. No commodities, no indexes. Okay, let's have a look at the second page. And yeah, he kept his lot size quite low, 0.1. Again, maybe we can see here 0.3, starting to increase his lot a bit, his lot size. And here by mid-August, it was going full lot on some position. We can see it was going 0.5. Okay, yeah, increase that. Okay, let's go back to where things get interesting. Here, when it started to win a lot from the mid-October until when the 4th, oh, actually it was the 2nd of November when he hit his first 10% target. And okay, let's have a look at his average trade length, 11 hours and 14 minutes. So let's have a look at the duration scatter plot. Okay, we can see how the majority of his position were held for less than 2 days, and just few of them were held for longer. But I want you to notice something here. Unfortunately, Constantin held for longer the losing positions. So for next time, Constantin, remember that is always better to cut your position, your losing positions short, and not holding them for too long. Here we can see 8 days. So he also needed to get an approval for this position. Maybe, I don't know, he was hoping that it was going reversing. Anyways, Constantin, I want to do your next review just based on your latest result from the 22nd of October up to the 4th of November. So hopefully, hopefully now you have found your way, and we look forward to do the second review for you.